Fatima,
Yes.
today is your paragraphs voice test. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
So I'm giving you some words and you have to make it involve and you have to make it paragraph with the help of their words. Suppose I give you, remember what I'm saying to you, like table, you have to add it all. Table, keep this in mind properly what I'm speaking to you. The one word is table, along with principal, teachers, classrooms, and boys and girls. So mix them in one paragraph in your sentences.
Um, Table is very useful for us. We keep the things
Speak
on.
loudly.
Uh, Table is very useful for us, and we keep the things on it. We go school daily, and there is so many boys and girls. We talk with each other and share the all notes with them. When he boys and some um, when some boys and girls are absent, we share our notes with them and help each other in our school, in our class. There is approx 31 students, and in our school there is 20 rooms, 20 rooms, and in our class, in our class, some boys are naughty, and they fight with they always fight with each other, and with their friends with using bad words. Suddenly the principal has came and saw that they will talking each other in Hindi and also using a bad word. So the principal sir has scolded him. Then our class teacher has came and tell them to don't talk like this, because if principal sir has again saw you that you are using that type of words, so so he so in his eyes, you are very in his high eyes, that this class is very bad for him. If you are using that type of words, then he thinks this class was very bad. So don't talk like that type of words. If you said that like that type of words, my image was also spoiled, because I am your class teacher. So don't talk like that, and talk in English. Don't talk in Hindi. Because you are in English medium, so you have to talk in English, not in Hindi. And there is if our class was dirty, so peon came and clean it very.
Okay. That's enough. I never expected that you could have spoken like this. So you got 100 out of 100. So thank you so much that you took part in this part. Thank you very much.